Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Pool and welcome to Pool's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and make sure you hit your notification bell so that each time I upload a new video you'll be notified. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. So in this video today, I'm going to share with you one recipe of how I prepare my vegetable rice. I have like 3 to 4 recipes, but I'm going to share with you one, then the other ones I'll be uploading them one at a time. So make sure you watch till the end because I won't be talking much. So thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the sky, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender it. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the sky, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me